Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, we are going to solve Accenture actual exam question asked on 31st of October. Here you can see the date 31st 10 2023. That means 31st of October 2023 in other question as well. So if you have Accenture examination coming up, then this video will be very helpful for you. Let us start with question number 1. What does IEEE 802.11 refers to? So friends, IEEE 802.11 refers to the set of standard that defined communication for wireless LANs, wireless local area network, or WLAN. The technology behind 802.11 is branded to consumer as Wi-Fi. So we use Wi-Fi right at our home. So behind that we have IEEE 802.11. So here we will select wireless networking standard. In fact, in Accenture only, they had asked what is the full form of IEEE, right? So Institute of, so here you can write Institute of, right? Institute of and Electrical and Electronics Engineer, okay? Electrical and Electronics Engineer. So this was the question also asked in Accenture, right? So this also you have to keep in mind. Now, friend, question number 2. So in network security, what does IDS stand for, right? So full form, definitely they ask. So an intrusion detection system, right? So intrusion detection system, that means option B. And one more thing, friends, I wanted to tell you. So this particular question is a repeated question. So in Accenture, what you will be able to see. So even question from Excel, question from networking, question from cognitive. So these questions are even question from coding also will be repeated. So you need to solve previous questions like the current examination question as much as possible instead of solving new kind of question. Okay. So an intrusion detection system is a network security technology originally built for detecting vulnerability exploits against a target application or computer. The IDS is also a listen only device. So please keep that in mind. So this is used for detecting vulnerability exploits against application or computer, and this is a listen only device. Because what happens, friends, I have seen in the examination, so based on that they will not only ask one question. So based on IDS they will ask 2-3 questions. They might ask, so IDS is listen only, okay, or listen and reply, something like that, okay. So there will be 4 options will be there, you will have to answer. Now question number 3. So find the missing term in the series given below. Now friends, in this kind of question, no, in examination you will have to use little bit of your mind, okay. See, you might need not to get the perfect coding for everything, okay. I will tell you how exactly in exam you have to start, okay. See, the first thing is, friends, what you have to do is, so you have to remember the alphabetical position, okay. And already I have taught you in my videos. So C position is 3 M. So M is this, you can write like this, okay. So M position is 13. R you can close like this, so it look like 18, okay. Now, so 13 fives are 18. So here, okay, so definitely there is a gap basically of 5. So 3 5 8, okay, and then 8 5 will be 13, right? So there is a gap of 5 letters basically. So 8 is what? H. So because H we can write like this, so H is nothing but 8. Now, so definitely option B and option D is eliminated. Now out of option A and option C will be the correct answer. Now here you see, so the third letter is different. So now we will be finding the position for only the third letter, because if we are able to finalize that, then we will be easily able to get our answer, okay. Now, so what I will do, I will use the different pen here. Now, so X is 24, S is 19, right? See, S we can write like this. So I have completely told you all the tricks. So I looks like 9, so 9. So here if you'll see 5, so again there is a gap of 5, so 9 5 is 14. 14th November, so 14 will be nothing but N, right? So 14 November, this is how I have asked you to remember. So again here also there is a gap of 5. So H and third letter will be N. So option A will become the correct answer, right? Okay, now, so friends, as I said, so we have to solve, right? So we have to solve the recent question That September month question, October month question, if you want to crack the exam of Accenture, right? Okay, now Accenture examination mostly happening on the physical mode. So friends, I would request you to get this Accenture crash course where we have also put 10 free mock test series. Okay, now friends, here we have solved. So if you will go and check the content, right? So this has mostly the question asked in Accenture 1st September, Accenture 5th September, Accenture 6th September, 7th September. So whatever possible, 9th September, 12th September. So whatever possible things are there, we have solved the question. And see, this particular crash course you will be able to read only in 2 days easily. So reasoning, we have the videos whatever I was teaching you, right? So coding, decoding, if you'll see, then so everything I have told you, that trick wise, okay, how you will be easily able to remember. So this course will be very, very helpful. Okay, and see, you should not regret later, okay, that if I would have got this course, I would have cracked the examination. Many other student has cracked the Accenture examination just by reading this crash course and by giving this 10 mock test series. Okay, that will be included with this for free. Okay, so MS application is there, cloud networking is there, pseudo code is there, coding videos are there. So lot of contents you will be getting it here. Okay, now, so get it now. The link is given in description, and make sure that you crack the examination, because there are many topics which you will not get it anywhere, right? Like I will tell you. So the topics like counting figures, okay, so where you have to find out the how many triangles are there, how many squares are there, everything has been covered here. So one crash course for 2 days, if you read, it's more than sufficient. Okay, now in the certain code language, pulses is coded as TFT MVQ. Okay, now then how apricot will be coded. Okay, now, so friends, basically if you try to visualize the logic here, then S and the next letter is T, S next letter is T, P next letter is Q. So here T, the next letter is U, and here A, the next letter will be B. So UB. Now I could see only one option where we have starting with E and ending with B. So option B will become the correct answer, right? See, many students, what they will do. So see, why do you want to get like E plus 1, F, U plus 1, V is unnecessary. You will be wasting time in the examination, and that almost everyone does that. And that's where we will not be able to solve 90 questions in the 90 minute, right? Most of the questions, even we will not be able to see itself, right? So that mistake you don't do. So the question which takes 5 seconds, finish it there, and then the remaining 55 seconds you try to put in the other questions. Okay, so both the questions had limited, you should know how to do the solution. Okay, now, so from the response figure, identify which should complete the sequence given in the problem figure. Okay, now, so we'll try to analyze. So let us try to take this the moon one. Okay, so moon one. Okay, so moon one, it is like this in the first figure. Second figure, if we'll try to see what has happened, so clockwise 90-degree turn. So clockwise 90-degree turn. Okay, fine, no problem. And the position is changed. So here is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So just see. So in the first figure, first position, second figure, second position. Okay, now then in the third figure, the position has changed to third. And now what has happened here? So again, if you'll try to visualize, so again 90-degree shift. So again 90-degree shift. Okay, now, so next definitely the position, it will be at the position 4. I'm not looking at all the symbols, because I don't want to waste my time. So I know that definitely I have to look for this kind of figure in the fourth one. Okay, so fourth one is this 1, 2, 3, 4. So definitely option 1 and or option 3, 1 will be your answer. Okay, now, so again, if I will have a 90-degree shift, then in the fourth position I should get something like this. Okay, so in the fourth position, so that is nothing but option 3. So option 3 will become my correct answer. That means you have to select this 3, and that is available at A. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Then syllogism question, I generally don't take syllogism question when I'm solving in the videos, because this will create lot of confusion with the student, because I have seen the basic will not be clear for most of the student. Okay, and whenever I solve syllogism question, you can see the comments, sir, this is wrong, this is right, this conclusion is correct, this conclusion is wrong, this will happen, because basic understanding of syllogism. For trust me, 90% of the student does not have the basic understanding of syllogism. Okay, so that's the reason, friends, if you'll try to see in our courses, so one syllogism videos is for 1 hour and 50 minutes. Okay, so 1 hour and 50 minutes, that means completely from the basics we have done. So even with zero knowledge of any topic, coding and decoding, 1 hour. Okay, so you can see, right? So direction 56 minutes. Okay, so all topics ranking test 1 hour. So this all this 56 minutes. So instead of 100 videos, I have made limited videos. So one video you watch and solve all the question in the examination. That's the reason I'm forcing you basically to get this course, so that, and this will be helpful for all examination, not only for Accenture, so that you will not be regretting later that, okay, I was not able to clear my first round of Accenture examination itself. Okay, fine. Now, so the statement is no ink is pen. So no ink is pen. So I will write here ink and I will write here pen. Okay. So in between ink and pen, there is no relation. Clear? Okay. Statement one is clear. Some pen are refills. Some pen are refills. So some part of pen is a refill. Okay. Fine. No problem. This is also done. All ink are pencil. So all the ink are pencil. Okay. So all the inks are inside the pencil. Clear? So my perfect diagram is made here. It's done here. Now we have conclusions. So let us do one by one. The first one is possibility. Wait, first we will check for second and third, and then we will come back to first. Some pencil are ink. So some pencil are ink. Yes, correct. So I have told you, if you say all A are B, then you can say some B are A. So definitely conclusion 2 is true. Okay, this in the basic I have already taught you. Then some ink are pen. See, you are telling there is no relation between no ink is pen. Now again you are in the conclusion you are telling some ink are pen. Not true. Okay, so there is no relation between ink and pen. So third one is false. Okay, now so second one is true. So one thing I could tell you, friends, see, anyway you can eliminate the option D is eliminated. Okay, and then option C also is eliminated because 3 is not true. Now we have only 2 options, right? Okay, so see, even if you want to guess in the exam, you have to guess it smartly. If you're not able to conclude, if you're not able to understand conclusion 1, then at least conclusion 2 is true. So mostly option A will be the correct answer, right? So at least the probability of becoming question correct will be more. But anyway, let us get the concept. Now all pen being refill is a possibility. So what we will try to do from here, we will try to put all pen inside the refill. So we will try to understand. So we will try to put all pen inside the refill. When we do that, then none of your statements should be violated. That is the concept, simple concept I have told you. Now, so what I am going to do here, so all I will, let me take another pen. So all pen I will put inside the refill. So this is the refill now. The refill I will put it like this. The refill I will do it like this. Okay, now, so basically I am going to take a possibility. So all pen inside the refill, I did it here. Now, so next is what we have to do. We have to check our statement. If my statement is not getting violated, that means yes, it is possible to put all the pen inside the refill. So no ink is pen. Yes, so ink is pen. There is no relation. Fine, not violated. Some pens are refill. So some pens are refill. See, if you say all A are B, then you can also say some A are B. So even complete part of A is inside B, then definitely some part of A is also inside B. This is also not violated. All ink are pencil. So all ink are pencil, not violated. That means when we try to put all pen inside a refill, there is none of the statement is getting violated. That means this is possible to do, and this will become my correct conclusion. So option A will become the correct answer for this. Only conclusion 1 and 2 follows. I hope it is very, very clear to you. So you can also try this kind of questions from Google and you will be always getting the correct answer. Okay, now So mark the odd one out from the given option. So we have 7224, we have 8728, we have 3311, and we have 9632. Okay. So when I was writing, I was able to analyze that 24 into 3 is 72. So when I wrote 11, I was able to analyze that 11 into 3 will be 33. When I wrote 32, I was able to analyze 32 into 3 will be 96. But 28 into 3 will be what? 3 8 jar 24, 84. That means this is odd one out. So my option B will become the correct answer. So this does not follow the particular pattern, and this is odd one out. Okay. Now, friends, you need more question to practice, and that's the reason I told you. So if you buy this course and only watch the video, it is more than sufficient. You do not even have to solve the question by yourself. All the question has been solved there. Okay, and the link will be given in description. You will be easily able to buy it. Okay, and this courses will be helpful for all examination, and you will also not regret. Trust me. Now find the missing number in the series given below: 19, 62, 38, 53, okay, and then 35, and then 152. So here if we try to see, so 19 into 2 will be 32, sorry, 38. So 19 into 2 will be 38, and 38 into 2 will be 76, and 76 into 2 will be 152, right? 2 6 are 12, and 14 plus 1 will be 15. That means it is very, very clear the missing number will be here 76. Okay. So now other number, this is not required here, but if you try to check, so the 12 minus 3 is 9, and then this is nothing but 18. So this is again next will be 27. So like this, so it will be 8 basically. So if we'll subtract, so 5 minus 8 is 5 minus 7 is 8, right? So like this, the series will keep going on. Anyway, so we had to find out the missing number, which is nothing but 76. Now mark the option that most logically completes the following sequence. Okay, so we'll try to analyze what is happening. So you see this particular, I will take this, you can say this is a rectangle, you say, or parallelogram, whatever you say. Okay, so now this particular figure has moved. It was here 1, and now it has come to second position. Here it has come to third position. So it is very clear that in the next diagram, it will go to the fourth position. That means it will come here. So fourth position, we have only two places, either B or C. Okay, now friends, one more thing. So what we are seeing here is, so at the third position, whatever it is there, and when it is moving to the fourth position, they are becoming dark, right? So star became dark, I mean it is filled. Then here it was kind of parallelogram, that moved, that became filled. Okay, and now here it is kind of parallelogram. So when it will move here, or you say square, whatever you want, so that again will be filled. So option B will become the correct answer. That is what we have to analyze. In hurry, don't mark answer C. Okay, in hurry, don't mark option C as the answer. Now question number 10 is a very good question. So question number 10 is a very good question. So I request, and it is a repeated question, I request all of you to first solve it by yourself, and then you try to watch the solution. So basically document is coded as UTONMEDC. Then how student will be coded as, how student will be coded as. Now, so friends, if we'll try to visualize, many of you will start thinking, so U is here, okay, and then T is here. No. So friends, the logic is they are alphabetically arranged. So the logic is they are alphabetically arranged. Okay, alphabetically arranged. Okay, now, so you can see C, D, E, M, N, O, T, U. This, they are alphabetically arranged. C, after C, D will come. After D, E will come. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. M after N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, T, U, right? So here also we have to do the same thing. So T, so T is the highest one, T, T, U. So U, and then T, T, and then S, and then N, and then E, and then E, D. Okay, so D, E, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, and after T, U. So U, T, T, S, N, E, D, right? So UTTSNED. So that's how you have to solve the question. See, if you have practiced well, then only you will be able to do the question correctly in the examination in less amount of time. Otherwise, even after spending 2 minutes, you will not be able to get the logic in the examination. Okay. So friends, these many questions I have taken, I have got actually, and that's what I have made. So once again, I request all of you, so practice more. This crash course will definitely help you a lot, because reasoning, cognitive, I have only done it, and definitely I have covered all the possible questions. Okay, and here our YouTube channel. So I request all of you to do follow, subscribe, so that any kind of hiring preparation videos, nothing you're gonna miss in the so thank you, take care, and all the very best.